Hello everybody, this is Short Carver coming to you from my Space Engineers survival world, and I'm here to show you some scripts I've written that I think a lot of people will find helpful. So this is my base, and as you can see I have a lot of refineries, a lot of arc furnaces, and a lot of assemblers hooked up to it. The problem I'm having is that things like arc furnaces are kind of dumb, so let me show you what I mean. Let's grab all the arc furnaces, we'll turn on the conveyor system, and we should see a couple of them. Ah, there we go. So a couple of them pulled in some resources. You can see that here. And they're starting to go. Okay, so they pulled in all their resources. The problem is only those ones are actually going to do work. And that leaves a lot of wasted, processing power that we could be using. So I've created this script called refinery. And every time I run it, what it's going to do is search all your arc furnaces and all your refineries and find one that has a lot of ore in it. So the one that has the most ore in it is the one it's going to target. And it's going to take that, cut it in half, and put it in another one. So it's essentially going to redistribute everything. Now let me show you how this works. So I have a timer down here. You can see it's set up to run the computer program, or the programmable block program, and then run itself again. So it should go in a loop. So there we go. See, it ran for 2 seconds and then starts itself up again. If we go back and look at these arc furnaces, we should see them start to fill in. There we go. Another 2 seconds, we'll get another one. Awesome. All right. And a really cool thing about this script is it also works on refineries. So let me turn my refineries on. Okay. So here's the refineries. You can see the same thing's happening. They're splitting the difference. Here we go. So the refineries are pulling stuff in from my cargo containers, and the script is splitting the stuff up amongst all the refineries. So this will be done processing in like no time. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so this one is comp refinery. I actually have it in my workshop here, and I'm going to push this up right now. It's called SESC-RefineryManager. So I'm going to publish this guy. Details. Publish. There's the button. Yes. So all my scripts are going to start with SESC. Stands for Space Engineers Short Carver. There we go. All right. Very nice. All right. One more script I want to show. I have 2 more scripts actually I want to show you. The next one is another one similar to the refinery one. This one, I name all my scripts comp, by the way, is called products. What this script does is it takes all the products from your refineries, your arc furnaces, and even your assemblers and puts them into cargo containers. So let's go take a look at my cargo containers. I have an ingot container. Notice ingot is in the title. A components container, comp is in the title. And I should have an ore container. It's probably empty. Yeah, the ore containers are empty. Okay, so I'm going to start this script up. It's called products. This is also attached to a timer, just like the other one, only this is a 10-second timer. And we'll see it. You should see the volume of the ingot one start to increase as it pulls things out of the refineries. There we go. You see the refinery just emptied and this went up. Wait another 10 seconds, we'll see it happen again. Now of course you can change the timers to whatever you want. I just happen to use 10 seconds. Nice. This is also really awesome if you happen to have a huge chain of assemblers. So say for example I need a couple hundred armor blocks. Alright, you can see it going down because my assemblers are all working together to to produce everything. And if you look down here, you'll see they're growing, and they'll quickly empty. 50. There it is. And what it did is it took all of the products, the results from the assembler, and it searched your stuff for a cargo container named components, or comp. And you can see this is slowly growing as it's building more steel plates. Pretty nice. Now this particular script, you can edit it if you like. Right here at the top, you can see it's searching for a storage that says ingot in it, and it searches a storage that says comp. You can change those and change it to whatever you want. And this one is, that's interesting. And this one is called GatherProducts. So go to details and publish. Yes. Okay. Last but not least, say you are getting ready to destroy this say you're getting ready to like take down this this base. You want to destroy it, you know, grind it up, make a new one. Problem is, you now have materials floating around and everything. You see it, you know, you have like arc furnaces full up, you have assemblers with stuff in them. What are you gonna do? Well, you run this last script. I'm calling this one Clean Production. You hit run, and it removes everything from everything. So these assemblers are still running. Remove that. Run it again. It removes all the inputs and outputs from the assemblers. It cleans out the arc furnaces, your refineries, and it sorts them into cargo containers, ingot, ore, and components, just like you would expect. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so I'm going to take this guy here. He also has the same thing at the top. You have ingot storage, you have component storage, and ore storage. If you use a different naming scheme, you can do that. You can name them all the same thing if you want. It doesn't matter. But that's there for your convenience. And this one is Clean Production. I'm going to publish that one. Alright, there you go. They're all in the store. I will be sure to keep these updated as I come up with updates for them. Also, look in the description below. I'll include a link to the GitHub account where I'm storing all my source code, and I'll also provide links into the workshop. Alright, thank you for hanging out with me, checking this out. See you later.